Welcome to our home. When designing the home, I wanted to make sure every room captured as much natural light as possible, which is why I chose full height windows. I wanted the window frames to be really seamless, so I matched the powder coat colour to the external materials. I also opted for double glaze for energy efficiency. We wanted our home to feel like an escape for our family. When designing with a feel in mind, it's important that you consider window and door placement from planning stage. That way you can determine if it will work with your architecture and brief. The team at Trend was so amazing to deal with. We went into their showroom for an interactive experience where we could touch and feel all of their windows and doors. This louver window behind me was their suggestion, and I'm so happy I went with it because it's turned out to be my favourite window in the whole home. Every morning I wake up and I open it and it has great airflow in this space. It's essential when designing a home that you consider function as well as aesthetics. By integrating the door frame into the floor, it meant that we had a consistent floor level from indoor to outdoor. This means that it's a functional space for our kids to play in, but it also looks great. Windows and doors play such a significant part in both the internal and external of your home, and when you get it right, it really does make it look complete.